I'm Jay from Ohio Power Tool. We're here with John, Diablo. Today we're going to look at new size metal cutting blades.
Well, so, I mean, typically a lot of guys were used to using dedicated metal cutting circular saws. Right. A lot of the 8-inch and the 9-inch, that are corded, they're, made for metal cutting. And I think that a lot of guys don't realize we do make different diameters for your regular circular saws.
So 6.5, 7.25. 2 years ago it was like, don't do that.
Sure.
Now you're saying new blades will work on our traditional.
Other saws that we were discussing that are corded typically have different RPM ratings. So yeah, I think that's where a lot of guys are, right. So this is a higher RPM, but these blades are rated for that. The other thing that we've done with these blades is rather than just using your typical carbide that a lot of companies are using on their metal cutting blades, we actually are using what we call a Cermet carbide. So it's a ceramic metallic blend. So as you said, we make it in the 6.5, 7.25 to go on a lot of the sizes that are popular in the cordless now. And we kind of are turning, the traditional circular saw, saw out in the field into a metal cutting saw. So we're going to use that circular saw blade that we just talked about to make cordless saw into a metal cutting saw. And the first thing we're going to cut here is schedule 80 stainless steel. So right after getting done cutting the stainless steel, I'm going to cut a piece of threaded rod with the same blade, and then I'm going to show you how there's no rework needed, and we can thread the nut right on that threaded rod right after the cut.
Okay, so we see that the blade cuts just as well as kind of a dedicated circular saw with a similar Diablo blade. Is that gonna, is longevity gonna be there, or what do you give up?
The way that the blade's designed to go on the cordless tools, you're not going to give up anything on the blade life. You're not going to give anything up on speed of cut, and it actually still puts a factory finish on the metal, just like a dedicated metal saw would.
So thank you for coming out and showing that for us. Of course, you can buy these at ohiopowertool.com or in our store. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Thanks for stopping by and watching.